Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the wonderfully chill world of an animal that has taken the internet by storm. It's the king of calm, the master of mellow, and a friend to literally everyone. That's right, we're talking about the one and only capybara, so grab a snack, sit back, and let's get to know the world's largest and arguably most sociable rodent. Native to the lush wetlands and forests of South America, the capybara is a creature unlike any other. Picture a guinea pig, but imagine it scaled up to the size of a large dog, weighing up to 150 pounds. That's a capybara for you. They spend their days lounging near water, embodying a level of tranquility that most of us can only dream of. But what makes these gentle giants so special? Let's find out. First, let's talk about their home. Capybaras are semi-aquatic animals, meaning they are just as comfortable in the water as they are on land. You'll find them in rivers, lakes, ponds, marshes, and swamps. Their entire lifestyle revolves around water. It's their source of food, their escape from predators, and their personal spa. Their bodies are perfectly designed for this amphibious life. Notice how their eyes, ears, and nostrils are all positioned high on their heads. This brilliant adaptation allows them to keep most of their body submerged, staying cool and hidden, while still being able to see, hear, and breathe. They can stay underwater for several minutes at a time, a handy skill when a jaguar or anaconda is nearby. Their webbed feet also make them powerful and graceful swimmers, effortlessly gliding through the water. It's truly a sight to behold. Now, one of the most famous things about capybaras is their incredibly social nature. These animals are rarely seen alone. They live in large groups, sometimes numbering over 100 individuals, though groups of 10 to 20 are more common. These groups are close-knit family units, led by a dominant male. They do everything together, they eat together, sleep together, and swim together. This social structure is crucial for their survival, providing safety in numbers. More eyes and ears mean a better chance of spotting danger early. What's even more remarkable is their relationship with other species. You've probably seen the pictures and videos online, capybaras with monkeys on their backs, birds perched on their heads, and even cats cuddling up to them. They've earned the nickname nature's moving armchair for a reason. Their calm and non-threatening demeanor seems to put other animals at ease. Whether it's a turtle, a duck, or a caiman, everyone seems to be welcome in the capybara's personal space. This interspecies friendliness is incredibly rare in the animal kingdom and adds to their unique charm. They are the ultimate diplomats of the wild. Within their own groups, this social bonding is especially strong when it comes to raising their young. Capybara mothers give birth to a litter of, on average, 4 pups after a gestation period of about 5 months. What's amazing is that the pups, called capulets, are precocious. This means they are born well developed, with their eyes open and able to walk, swim, and even eat solid food within just a few hours of birth. But they still rely on their mother's milk for the first few months. In a capybara group, childcare is a community effort. All the females in the group will help look after and even nurse the young. This communal care, known as alloparenting, increases the survival rate of the pups and strengthens the bonds within the group. It's a beautiful example of cooperation in the animal world. So, what do these giant rodents eat to maintain their size? Capybaras are herbivores, and they have a very specific diet. They are grazers, feeding primarily on grasses and aquatic plants. In fact, their diet is quite selective. They will often eat only a few specific plant species and ignore others that are readily available. An adult capybara can eat 6 to 8 pounds of fresh grass per day. That's a lot of salad. Now, here's a fascinating, if slightly unusual, fact about their digestion. Like rabbits and some other rodents, capybaras are autocoprophagous. This means they eat their own droppings. I know, it sounds a bit gross, but there's a very good scientific reason for it. They produce a special type of soft, green feces in the morning that is rich in protein and microbes from the previous day's digestion. By re-ingesting this, they can extract the maximum amount of nutrients from their tough, fibrous food. It's a highly efficient digestive strategy that allows them to thrive on a diet that other animals might find difficult to process. It's nature's way of recycling. Their teeth are another key adaptation. Like all rodents, their front incisor teeth grow continuously throughout their lives. This is essential because their diet of tough grasses and aquatic plants constantly wears down their teeth. The continuous growth ensures they always have sharp, effective tools for gnawing and chewing. Let's circle back to their incredible swimming ability. When threatened on land, a capybara's first instinct is to run for the nearest body of water. They can dive in and use the water as a refuge. They are so well adapted to this that they can even sleep in the water, keeping just their nose above the surface to breathe. This behavior helps them avoid land-based predators like jaguars, pumas, and ocelots. However, the water has its own dangers, such as caimans and anacondas. Life for a capybara is a constant balance between land and water, and they navigate it with a surprising level of grace. Another unique trait is their vocal communication. Capybaras aren't silent creatures. They have a range of sounds they use to communicate with each other. They can bark, whistle, purr, and make clicking sounds. A sharp bark is an alarm call, warning the group of a potential threat. A low, continuous clicking or purring sound is often a sign of contentment and is used to maintain contact within the group. These vocalizations are vital for coordinating group movements and ensuring everyone stays together and safe. Sadly, like many wild animals, capybaras face threats from human activities. They are hunted for their meat and hide, and their habitat is being reduced due to deforestation and agricultural expansion. However, there is some good news. Capybaras are highly adaptable and reproduce relatively quickly. In some areas where they are ranched or farmed sustainably, their populations are stable or even increasing. Conservation efforts are focused on protecting their wetland habitats and promoting sustainable practices that allow humans and capybaras to coexist. So, to sum it all up, the capybara is so much more than just a giant rodent. It's a semi-aquatic marvel with incredible adaptations for its environment. It's a social butterfly of the animal kingdom, forming strong family bonds and extending its friendship to a surprising array of other species. It's a master of chill, a symbol of tranquility, and a reminder that sometimes the best way to get through life is to just relax and go with the flow. From their community-oriented lifestyle to their unique digestive habits, every aspect of the capybara is fascinating. They truly are one of nature's most endearing and beloved creatures. Their peaceful existence has a lot to teach us about community, acceptance, and finding peace in our surroundings. What do you find most fascinating about capybaras? Let me know down in the comments. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed learning about these amazing animals, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next adventure into the wild. See you next time.